Hey everybody! Welcome to our video for lesson number 6. This one's all about perspective. Now, you might be asking yourself, what's perspective? Let's talk about it. Pretend you have an apple in your hand. What does it look like? Is it shiny? What color is it? If somebody asked you, is that apple big or small? What would you say? Probably pretty small, right? I mean, it fits in your hand. Now, pretend you're an ant. You're teeny tiny, and you live in a hill, and you talk like this, and there's a million other ants. Pretend that you walk right up to that apple, sitting on the sidewalk. You look up at it. Is it big or small? Probably pretty big, right? Perspective is the way that we see things, and that usually has to do with where we're looking at them from, or our point of view. As a photographer, you can use perspective to make your pictures interesting and creative. The first way that we can do this is to make our subject look bigger than it is. We can do this by bringing your subject to the front or the foreground of your picture and making sure it's in focus. Let's look at an example. The photographer took this picture of the boy's feet really close to the camera. This made the feet look bigger than they actually are compared to the rest of his body. When you look at this picture, your eyes are drawn right to those little tootsies. And his feet are the only thing that are in focus. The rest of the boy in the background helps to tell the story. When only part of an image is in focus, we call this having a shallow depth of field. This is done by adjusting a setting on your camera. Now, we won't talk too much about settings in this course, but if you're interested, keep an eye out for the Shooting and Manual course for elementary age students on the PhotoFinch website. Let's look at some more examples. See how your attention is drawn to what's in the foreground or the front of the picture? By placing something in the front, the photographer is telling you, hey, look at this! This is what's important. This picture uses perspective and also 3 other rules of composition. Can you tell what they are? We have the rule of thirds, the use of lines, and balance. Another way we can use perspective in our picture is to take it from a different angle. Moving yourself to take a picture from a different angle is a great way to explore perspective. They make your pictures more creative. Let's talk about a couple specific examples. When you photograph a subject from below looking up, it makes them look bigger than they are. Sometimes this is called the hero pose because it makes the subject look like a superhero. Imagine Superman, hands on his hip with his cape flowing behind him. He looks huge, right? Take a look at the next picture. Taking a picture of this boy from this angle was more interesting, and it made him look bigger than he actually is. Photographing a horse from below, well, that's interesting and funny. Taking a picture from above a subject looking down makes them look smaller. Take a look at these pictures. Taking pictures of kids from above helps show their smaller size. This picture tells a story of a dog and his owners. Taking a picture from above looking down was good for this one because it shows how most people would probably see him. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you had fun learning about how you use perspective in taking pictures. If you need help remembering any of the information, you can watch this video again. Also, you can find a copy of it in the Photography Lessons folder. And all of the words can be found in the glossary. Now, check out Hamish's video. He'll explain the perspective activity. Then pick up that camera and practice perspective in the next 2 shooting assignments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have fun, and I'll see you in the very last lesson video for negative space. Bye!